Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you life hacks and DIY projects with nail polish. If you're new to my channel, it would be so nice if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. If you would like to get a shoutout in my next video, all you have to do is to be subscribed to my channel, hit the notification bell, and leave a comment with a hashtag notification squad. So now we can start the video. First I will show you a simple life hack that can make your life easier. If you have few similar looking keys and you never can find the right one, you can just paint them with nail polish. Just paint them with different colors and it will be so much easier for you to get the right one. You can use nail polish to decorate a phone case. You will need a phone case and a washi tape or a masking tape. Stick the tape to your phone case to make the pattern. And now you will need a sponge. Paint stripes on it and press it onto your phone case. Leave it to dry and then gently take off the tape. I wanted to have my case in white color, so I cut out case shape from paper and here it is. If you are bored with your old pen, make it nice and unique with nail polish. You will need thin tape. This one is used for decorating nails. Put it around your pen. And then paint the pen in your favorite colors. Now stick it in a piece of styrofoam or a sponge and let it dry. When it's dried, take the tape off and it's done. You can use nail polish to make a pendant. Cut the shape of your trace from a piece of plastic. And paint it with nail polish. Let it dry and paint second layer. Now glue it to Eva foam and cut it out. Attach a small eye pin and it's ready. Next project you can make are those little bookmarks. Place a paper clip on a piece of baking paper and pour hot glue on top of it. Let it dry and paint it with nail polish. When it's dry, put some more glue on the other side and it's done. Now I'll show you how to make this magnet. Pour hot glue onto a piece of baking paper and when it's still hot, put a drop of nail polish on it. Make a pattern with a needle or a toothpick. Let it dry and then glue a small magnet on the other side. To make this cap for brushes, you will need a plastic bottle cut in half. Make sure it's dry inside and start making lines with nail polish on the inside. Let the polish drip down, it will look very nice. Let it dry and this is it, it's done. It looks very pretty. The last project I want to show you is this bracelet. To make it you will need a wire. Put it around your wrist, make sure your hand can go through. Bend the ends like this to make a bracelet. Now paint it however you want with nail polish. Let it dry and it's done. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and see you soon. Bye!